What's poppin'? It's your boy Cassius Cuvée. I made a video about this a couple weeks ago, but this is going to be a shorter version. This is just to show you proof that you can withdraw money from Breakout Prop after you win. This is my funded account, $100,000 funded account. Today I made nearly 700 bucks just casually trading. Actually wasn't even on the charts that much. I get to keep 90% of my profit because that is the box I checked at the beginning when I purchased the evaluation. Again, this is the $100,000 evaluation that I won a few weeks ago. You can see it on the video on my channel. If you haven't been to my channel, I've got a lot of breakout prop videos on there. Make sure you check them out. So here's how you do the payout right here. $627.66 is what I keep after they take 10%. Request all automatically fills in here. Then you just hit withdraw. So now it shows pending down here under withdrawals. Today's date 4/4 shows pending. Then after they approve it, we're going to go right here to breakout payout. So after you click breakout payout, you're going to end up on this screen here. So after they approve it, it'll show here and over here. So now that breakout prop has approved it, you'll see in your email. You click right here. You put in the amount over here shown. Always ERC20. You're going to have your wallet address here. This comes up, and now your withdrawal is submitted. As you can see, that exact amount of money was deposited into my account, proving that breakout prop really does pay out like they say they will. The best part is that you can save money on any evaluation just by using my discount code GGRF7W on any evaluation. You put it in before you hit checkout, and that way you can save money anytime you want to purchase a breakout prop evaluation. Make sure you share it with friends. Follow, like, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notifications. I'll be doing live trading on breakout prop impromptu, so you never know when it's going to happen. I'm going to have special female guests joining me. It's not something you're going to want to miss. I'm going to teach you how to win, and we're going to have some fun while we're doing it. It's your boy Cassius Cuvée. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification.